Hello, my name is Justin Brown and I am the founder and lead investigator of Interface Death. And in this video of quick tips, I want to address the absolute definition of what paranormal means and how to determine if something is in fact paranormal. And there's a lot of things to talk about when you address the subject matter. And the thing I want to focus in on in this video is the actual definition of what paranormal is and what you have to do, in my opinion, to narrow down an analysis whether you're going to determine if something's paranormal or just unknown. Now, there's two different things that get mixed up in the paranormal field. There's something that is proven to be paranormal and there's stuff that is unknown. And the first thing I want to talk about is not making the mistake of labeling something that you do not understand or you do not know about as paranormal. Now, if you read my blogs on this website, or on my website, if you're watching this on YouTube, ignorance or not knowing what something is does not yield paranormal conclusions or results. If you see something in a photograph, you just simply don't know what it is and you can't figure out an explanation for it, doesn't mean that it's paranormal. If you're looking at video or any other type of data, you just simply cannot label it paranormal if you do not know what it is. Now, the definition of paranormal is denoting events or phenomena such as telekinesis or clairvoyance that is beyond the scope of normal scientific understanding. Now, when you take that definition and you apply it to your research, you can go about paranormal research and investigation a few different ways. But the way I do it is I'm trying to correlate scientific principles with the phenomena, whether it be hauntings, poltergeists, theological phenomena like demons, and so on. Now, that also involves psychokinetics and the psychic phenomena itself. Now, when you know you're dealing with those things, it is outside the realm of scientific understanding. Now, if you're someone like me, you try to correlate scientific principles with the phenomena to better understand. So my goal, and it may be your goal as well, is to change the definition of what you are trying to research from paranormal to normal. Things that you don't understand or are abnormal is not paranormal. The definition itself strictly states that it is outside scientific explanation. So, in order to be a good paranormal researcher, in my opinion, is to take things that are outside scientific explanation and figure out why. Why is it? It's because, in my opinion, we fail to tie in, correlate, or apply scientific principles to the phenomena. And that is what will bring paranormal research up out of the murky waters of pseudoscience into the realm of scientific study. Now, once we do that and we are able to replicate and show data that can be replicated in experiments in that way, we are in good shape. Now, a lot of things I try to do, especially with electronic voice phenomena, for example, is give an explanation of why it's happening. Now, I think we're very far away from trying to identify a source and what it could be. It could be, answering the question, is it a spirit? Is it the disembodied, spirit of a deceased person? Is it a demon? Is it, so on and so forth? That is not going to be a foreseeable or reachable goal for you. If you still want to go that route, that's fine, but I would like to teach you guys and give tips on how to explain the actual physics behind what is occurring. Now, since I focus on EVP, I try to explain how the recorder is able to pick up on the anomalous audio and not be heard by the human ear. So first you want to learn how to be an audio engineer. You want to learn how microphones are able to take something like acoustic energy, someone's voice, and transform it into an electrical signal that is then, reproduced out of a speaker as something you can hear. Now, on my website and YouTube channel, I go over this extensively, and over the 4 years I've been doing this, I have hypotheses to explain what I think could be occurring. And that's what I would urge you to do. Now, if you're studying other phenomena, I would like for you to take this same approach. How is something able to move on its own? Understanding that phenomena with science is key, in my opinion, and that's what I want to convey in this video. So to go back and to emphasize the point of this video is understand what is paranormal and what is a mystery and what is unexplainable. Now, if you're dealing with something you don't understand, it may be because you don't have the correct knowledge on photography, on cinematography, on data analysis. For example, you may not understand electromagnetic frequency data or any environmental data. You need to really either teach yourself or actually take classes on these subjects in order to better understand what you're measuring on devices, what you're seeing in photos and in videos. Okay, so you want to know what paranormal is, you want to know what abnormal is, and you want to know what normal is. Okay, and once you understand that something that's outside the explanation that science can offer is only a step into taking it into another realm of explanation and understanding. So my opinion and view on what paranormal research is actually taking something that's outside the realm of science and bringing it into that light. So I think that is a very interesting and a very admirable approach to the paranormal field, and I would like you to give me feedback on what you think about that. I know there's a lot of people out there that have different approaches and different goals. Some of them are very spiritual and metaphysical in nature, and I also look at those types of phenomena in the scientific eye. But I would like to know your opinion, and I would like to know if this video is helpful to you and what you thought about the subject matter. Please visit our website at www.interfacedeath.net. Check out our social media links, check out our YouTube channel, and give us some feedback on what you think about this video series, our research, and our filmmaking. And until next time, you take care of yourself, and I will see you.